In this section of this video, we are going to talk about user settings under Microsoft Teams Admin Center. So let me share my screen, and here you can see we have users, manage users, guest access, external access. Under manage users, you can see all the users are listed who are part of your organization. So once you can select a user, you can see edit setting is enabled. And here you can see many options are available related to the setting, like call hold policy, voicemail policy, meeting policy, audio conferencing policy, messaging policy, live event. So you can see many options are available here. But how you can configure these policy? For that, what you have to do is you can cancel it, and let me show what are those policies. So here you can see we have like meeting setting policy. So you can go here and you can see like live event policy. So this is default policy. You can see what are the configurations we have for meeting policy, and that is what you can duplicate and create. Either you can create new, you can see here we have call hold policy. So you can see what we have here, and that is what you can again create a new policy. So in Microsoft Teams, we have many policies which are available, like for meetings, for wires, for devices, for other things. Like here, you can see template policy, and that is what you can see. Once you will select a user and edit the user, you can see all those policies are listed here. It means that whatever policy you will create, you can select here from drop down. So that's the beauty. You can create a different kind of policy for each and every user, and you can select from the drop down and apply and give that permission to that particular user. For example, if you want that user can't delete messages after sending, you can go here. So you can see like we have the policy. So this is how you can create a custom policy and meeting policy, live meeting template. Here we have messaging template. So uh, you can see we have a messaging template policy that what user can delete, what user can't delete, what is allowed to user. So you want to restrict user for these kind of things, you can create new policies, and then you can go in user and you can select a particular user and apply that policy to that particular user. Apart from that, we have guest access. So the very important feature is allow guest access in team, and you can on and off. If you will allow, then only guest users can be part of your organization, can chat in team with your organization. If you off, then they can't. And this is the uh, default feature. By default, it's on. Apart from that, you can take they can make private call or IP video or screen sharing mode. They can share their screen, meet now, they can directly call someone, and also again the configuration part, like they can delete messages or they can delete chat or they can edit messages and that fun stuff. So that is what you can configure for your guest user. Then we have external access, like what you are going to allow for external organization. So here you can see we have allow all external domains. It means that from in any domain the user can connect with your organization. Allow only specific external domains. It means that whatever domains you will configure, only those domains can connect with your organization. Apart from that, you can block external domain. That is what you can do. And then we have here, the external user with team account not managed by an organization can contact user in your organization. It means that the user who is not part of any organization can connect uh, a user in your organization or not. So if you don't want that, like the only users who are part of any organization can connect, then you can check it. Apart from that, sometimes user is using Skype and you want that user can chat with you using their Skype ID, then you can allow this feature. And that is what you can allow for your external users.